How to make a Klaviyo account. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create your own account on Klaviyo and get started with email and SMS marketing. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will simply go to klaviyo.com and you will get on this platform right here. Klaviyo allows you to do email marketing and SMS marketing, and we have a lot of different features and tools. We can also connect it to our Shopify and our WooCommerce and more. So to sign up, you will get the option right here. Click on sign up. Keep in mind that signing up process is completely free. Now you have to enter your email address and then set up a password. Enter your company name, then company website. So it can be any .com and you can use your company website here. Then you have to enter your phone number and then select number of contacts that you will be working with. You can just go with an estimation. I can go with from 1K to 3K. After that, you have to select all of these options and select this that I'm not a robo. So once you have entered all of the details right here on this form, you will click on create account and it will just take a second to create your own account and you will get your own dashboard. There you go. This is my dashboard. And after the initial sign up, you will also get a dashboard like this. And now you can start creating email marketing campaigns and SMS campaigns with Klaviyo and simply run an online business. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.